Shamita is going to be Shamita even in this show. What I was on OTT is what I will be here. Because what I was on OTT is how I am in real life. The game changes when there are two people playing together. There has to be a consensus. You have to reach a consensus
Yeah.
in order to go ahead. Now you're playing it alone. So nobody to ask, nobody to follow. How can it be nepotism? I must have done something right, which is my efforts on the OTT platform, because of which I'm called onto the Colors platform.
Koimoi.com.
Hi, Shamita. Welcome to Koimoi.
Thank you.
So, how are you feeling just out of one house, getting ready to enter the next house? What's going on in your mind?
Oh, wow. Nervous, excited, mixed emotions, looking forward to it. Also, there's this, I don't know, we keep reading here and there that there's a jungle theme happening and all of that. So I'm like, okay, I don't know what that's going to bring in, but looking forward to it. I'll just put it that way.
So, what different are you bringing to the Big Boss 15 house now? We seen you in Big Boss earlier, then Big Boss OTT, and a Big Boss 15. How different is Shamita going to be in this version of the show?
Shamita is going to be Shamita even in this show. What I was on OTT is what I will be here. Because what I was on OTT is how I am in real life. So I can't change myself for different platforms. So yeah, I'll just be myself. Whatever you saw on the OTT platform, just the situations will be different. The tasks will be different. So I'm just going to take it one day at a time.
But do you think Big Boss OTT kind of limited how strongly you could portray yourself or play a game or whatever? Did it kind of constrain you to doing something that you wouldn't have done otherwise?
Why do you say that?
No, like there were connections in the house where you had to maintain connections while playing your own game. Do you think that has kind of hampered your game in Big Boss OTT, which won't happen in Big Boss 15?
I think so, yeah. I mean, the game changes when there are two people playing together. There has to be a consensus. You have to reach a consensus
Yeah.
in order to go ahead. Now you're playing it alone. So nobody to ask, nobody to follow. Then obviously it's going to be different. So I think that's the way it should have originally been. I don't know why they made it a connection game in the first place. We were not expecting that. So yeah, this is the original format, and I'm kind of looking forward to it.
Nepotism is a topic that has been brought up time and time again. And in fact, even with you entering the house for the third time now, people are bringing up the topic once again. What do you have to say about that, of being called onto the show for the third time? Do you think it's nepotism?
How can it be nepotism? I must have done something right, which is my efforts on the OTT platform, because of which I'm called onto the Colors platform. How is it nepotism? See, I can comment on something that makes sense to me. I can't comment on something that I don't understand. You know what I mean?
So yes, I kind of understand what you're saying, but there are trollers. Let's just call them trollers because that's exactly what they are, trolling you, saying that you are getting another chance because you've got your sisters there, you've got connections, there's nepotism playing a part in it. Do you think that you should reply back to them and say anything whatsoever?
Look, I'll just say that I decided to go into a house that is really tough to be in. And at the end of the day, you're playing an individual game in there. It's not your family pulling strings that brings you the situations that you face in there. And at the end of the day, again, I'm reiterating this. I'm repeating this. I was myself on the OTT platform that a lot of people liked. I received a lot of love because of who I was. And obviously, they've asked me to go in again because of that. So it has nothing to do with nepotism. It's my hard work here.
That's a very, very nice
And
answer.
that's honestly all I will say, because I can't keep saying this again and again. Haters will be haters. Trollers spread hate. And they really need to stop doing that and spread a little more love out there, because there's enough hate in the world. Bas na, bahut ho gaya. Kya hai? They need another day job or something. Hai. Kya hai?
Mental health was a topic that was spoken about in Big Boss OTT house. And what do you think? Are you mentally prepared to fight off the jungle, whatever difficulties are put to you all in the jungle scenario before you'll make it to the Big Boss 15 house?
Well, I'd like
you
to
mentally
think that I
prepared?
am. I'd like to think that I am. Now let's see what we have to face in there.
I heard y'all are just going to be having a survival kit and you'll have to make it through. I wonder what all will be included in the survival kit.
No idea. No idea.
For the 3X winners, Rabina Dilai, Gaur Khan, and Shweta Tiwari will be making an appearance in the show as tribal leads or something. If they are in the show, who would you love to be partnered with or fall under their protection or guidance, and why?
Either one of them. I think either one of them have been very strong contenders, contestants, and they've won. They've obviously
Yes.
done something right. So I would like to be in either one of their teams.
Okay. Lovely talking to you, Shamita. All
Thank
the
you.
best. And let's see, we might meet you directly next year now, 2022, after 5 months.
5 months. It was 3 months.
No, I think it's 5 months.
We'll get to that when we
We'll
get.
get to that. As the weeks go, we'll come to know how long is the show. All the best.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you. You too. Bye bye.
koimoi.com